Okay guys, on 16th of January 2023, now you can see that we have our plant of echeveria Lola. Now you can see that it is a little bit elongated due to the fact that I have placed it in the less light condition, so it becomes a little bit elongated. Okay, now I have plucked one of its leaves because we are going to propagate it from the leaves, so we have to pluck a lot of leaves from the stem. And now I am plucking the second leaf, and one thing you must know that leaves, the part of the leaf which is in contact with the stem must be fully preserved. Yes, and if a little bit stem part is being attached with the leaf, it is good. Yeah, you should have to pluck it with great accuracy. Now I am plucking leaves. Now you can see that our stem is now open. Nearly all of the leaves are plucked out. I will just leave 3 to 4 leaves on the top. Now these are I have plucked all the lower leaves and just 3 to 4 leaves are there. Now what you need to do is to place them in shade. And it's January month, so temperature is a bit low. So let them dry for a few days. On 3rd of March 2023. Now I have put a macro lens on my cell phone cam to show you the progress. Now you can see that this is our first leaf and there is a little baby plant on it. Now these are our roots. You can see that how roots are pink in color and very healthy. The baby plant is also very healthy, and we also need to put it on the media. Now this is our second leaf. The macro lens is showing clear definitions. Now this is our third one, I think. Yes, this is third leaf. And this one, the next leaf. Now you can see that. Let me now you can see it properly. I have to place it on a specific position so that you can see it. Although there isn't any sort of root, but still you can see the 2 baby plants are there, because sometimes multiple babies used to develop on one single leaf. This is our next leaf. Now you can see that although leaf condition is not good, but baby is healthy. Now this is our next and we have one root. We have one root. Now this is also a good result. Now we will go to our next leaf, and it's leaf is a little bit wounded, but still we can see that we have a little bit baby plant on the tip of the leaf. So now this is our next leaf, and its baby is very healthy. Baby plant is very healthy, and it's also used to develop some roots. Now this is our next one. It is a little bit blurred due to the fact that now This is our new plant. Okay, now this one is having one root, just a simple root, and one small baby plant. The health of the leaf is also very necessary for a good result. Okay, so you have seen all the results, so hopefully you like our video with real results. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.